How to permanently delete your Instagram account. This is what we're going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then go down to the profile option that is located down below. As you go down to the profile option, then up above you would be able to see these three lines. As you click on these three lines, then go to settings option. As you go to settings option, then go to help option. As you click on help icon, then go to help center. As you go to help center, then on the search bar, write down delete account. As you write down delete account, then you will find the first search, how do I delete my Instagram account? Click on that. As you click on that, then scroll down, and then over there you can find delete your account page. Click on that link. As you click on that, now over here you will be able to delete your account by selecting any reason to delete your account. By selecting a reason, you will be able to delete your account permanently. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot.